How to enable and get the dark mode on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the dark mode on Dropbox in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Dropbox. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lines and go down, click on settings. Now after you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options, but all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the dark mode option right here, as you can see. Now click on it like this and click always dark. Now as you can see, I just got the dark mode in easy fast way. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.